The subject of this video is what is Office 365. This is a quick tutorial. The best way to describe Office 365 is to actually look at the applications that you get with 365 when you purchase a license. It's an annuity-based purchasing model, as opposed to in the past when you would buy a laptop, have it installed, or buy a box for $400 or $500 and install it with CDs. You have the traditional Word, Excel, PowerPoint applications. You have productivity tools such as Calendar, Sway, Engage. You have SharePoint, Lists, OneDrive, Power Apps for developers, and a variety of other tools. So once you purchase your license, you can download the applications to your laptop, your tablet, or your phone. Here you can select the license that you want. You have home personal use, for business, for enterprise, for education. Click on the license and it will describe what applications you get and what storage you get. So typically you get the typical productivity suite of Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, and a terabyte of storage if you go with the most basic plan. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.